Hello and welcome back to another episode of Scott Grows an Avocado Tree. The indicators around my garden are telling me that spring is almost here. How exciting. I've had an unusual development with one of the avocado seeds. Earlier in the week, I found that one of the seeds, the one I had named This Here, has split in two. I thought to myself, it's just as well I have another 9 currently germinating. But then I thought, I wonder if it could survive. So I put toothpicks in the endosperm of the side with the embryo that was still attached. As far as I can tell, there isn't any damage to the embryo, so there is still a chance that it will survive. It's been a few days now and there's been a slight discoloration to the embryo, which is worrying, but I think we can still be hopeful. I wonder if it will continue to grow. It may just die, but I see no reason why it shouldn't survive. Only time will tell. Meanwhile, Paul Jansen is continuing to crack open. We'll see a root coming from it very soon. And So Old Fashioned is also beginning to crack. I am also experiencing less of a problem with the fruit flies, and the traps are doing their jobs, as evidenced by the number of flies in the trap on the window ledge, and even more so in the one by the worm farm. And that's all for today. What will happen to our split seed? We'll have to wait and find out. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a like and make sure you are subscribed to Scott Grows an Avocado Tree so as to not miss any avocado updates. Thanks very much for watching and I will see you next time.
Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree.